Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix error code 273 in Roblox. So to fix this issue, here follow these steps. Go to roblox.com, log into your account, then click on settings icon, then here click on logout. Please remember your username and password so that you can log in again. After logout, log in again and check problem solved or not. Then we will move to the next solution. The next solution is to log out from all other sessions from Roblox. To do this, click on settings icon, go to settings, then go to security, click on security, scroll down and click on logout of all other sessions. Click on logout to confirm. Enter two-step verification, then click on verify. Next, clear the Roblox cache file from browser. To do this, click on three dots, then click on settings, then click on privacy and settings, then we close Roblox. Click on third parties and cookies, then click on see all site data and permission. Here search for Roblox, click on trash icon and click on delete to confirm. Next, we need to clear the Roblox cache files from PC as well. To do this, press Windows plus R key to open run box. In run box, type %local app data % and hit enter. Here look for temp folder, open it, then here look for Roblox folder, right click on it and select delete to delete it. Now check Roblox error code 273 has been solved or not. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.